Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can upgrade Spotify into a premium account. So here I've already opened my Spotify. As you can see that my Spotify is on the free version, and if you want to upgrade like me, you can just open your Spotify and then go to the premium tab at the bottom here. Then after that, you'll see the advantages that you get when you're on premium. You can listen it offline, you can play songs in any order, and you can listen to music without ad and the higher sound quality. And you can just scroll down to find the subscription package that provided by the Spotify team, and you can just choose which one that you think fits your needs the best. For example, I want to use the premium individual package, so you can just click on the get premium. Then after that, Spotify will bring you to the package here, and you can just choose the payment method that you want. For example, you want to play with the e-wallet here. You can just choose which one, and then you can add your e-wallet number, and then you can just proceed the payment in the e-wallet apps. Okay, so after that, you can just you can just do the payment, and your Spotify will be upgraded to premium. Okay guys, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below and click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment and subscribe. See you at the following tutorial. Thank you.